Ladies and gentlemen, respected teachers, dear parents, and most importantly, my dear friends, Namaste, and a very happy Republic Day to each one of you. Today, we gather here not just as individuals but as proud citizens of this incredible nation, India. It is an honor for me to stand before you on this momentous occasion, celebrating the 75th Republic Day of our great country. This year's celebration holds special significance as it marks the Diamond Jubilee of our Republic. 75 years ago, our nation emerged from the shadows of colonial rule, and our founding fathers laid the foundation for a democratic, sovereign, and socialist republic. Today, as we bask in the glory of 7.5 decades of independence, let us reflect on the journey that brought us here and the responsibilities that lie ahead. Republic Day is not just a date on the calendar, it is a celebration of our unity in diversity, our shared history, and our collective dreams for a brighter future. It is a day when we come together to remember and honor the values enshrined in our Constitution, the guiding light of our democracy. Our Constitution is like a roadmap that ensures justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity for all citizens. It was not a mere document, it was a vision, a dream that our forefathers had for a free, democratic, and inclusive India. The preamble of our Constitution, a beautiful opening statement, reminds us of these ideals. Let me quote Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chief architect of our Constitution, who said, "I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved." This quote emphasizes the importance of gender equality in our society. As young citizens, you have the power to contribute to a society where everyone is treated with respect and dignity, regardless of gender. Another inspirational figure, Mahatma Gandhi, once said, "Be the change that you wish to see in the world." These words are a call to action for each one of you. If you want to see a positive change in our society, it starts with you. Small acts of kindness, honesty, and compassion can create a ripple effect, leading to a better and more harmonious society. Our national leaders have left us with timeless quotes that continue to inspire generations. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, spoke of the importance of education when he said, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow." This highlights the vital role each one of you plays in shaping the future of our nation. Education is the key to progress, and as young minds, you have the power to learn, grow, and contribute positively to our country. As we celebrate the 75th Republic Day, let us not forget the sacrifices made by our brave freedom fighters. Their courage and determination paved the way for the independent India we live in today. Netaji Subhas Chandra Bose once said, "Freedom is not given, it is taken." This quote reminds us that freedom is a precious gift, and we must value and protect it. On this Republic Day, let us pledge to nurture positive thoughts, celebrate our diversity, and work towards a united and harmonious India. Remember, each one of you has the power to contribute to the growth and prosperity of our nation. In conclusion, let us carry the spirit of Republic Day beyond today. Let us strive to be responsible citizens, compassionate individuals, and lifelong learners. As we hoist the tricolor and sing our national anthem, let it resonate not just in our voices but in our hearts, symbolizing the unity, integrity, and diversity that define our great nation.